Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A watermark is an image or text that appears underneath the primary text of a document. Watermarks often show additional information or instructions about the primary content. For example, you may see a "Do Not Copy" watermark appear underneath the text of a legal document to instruct the viewer to not make copies of the file. In this lesson, we will examine how to apply watermarks to documents in Word. To apply a watermark in Word, open the document to which to apply the watermark. Then click the Design tab within the ribbon. Then click the Watermark button in the Page Background button group to show a drop-down menu of choices. At the top of the drop-down menu that appears is a scrollable list of some of the most common watermarks. To apply one of these watermarks to all the pages of the document, just click a choice within this scrolling list. If you are still editing the document, note that the watermark you apply will also appear on any new pages you create in the document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.